Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2020. We're officially into the second week of the year 2020. Crazy to see how time flies. In math, we've got a few things here. In math, we've got 30 minutes of MobyMax, and hopefully if you're in 7th and 8th grade, you did finish your semester review today in Warrior Time and turn that in. There's no other homework in math. In science, we need to finish our lab questions. That was the cell lab that we did in class today. You need to go through and identify the functions of the cells, which are in the writings that were in the first page of the handout on Google Classroom, and then you had 4 questions to answer. In social studies, how the Nile led to civilization. That's similar to homework that we've had in the past. You have to go and read the attached article. From there, you need to then answer the questions in the Google form. In language arts, we've got the human body idioms handout that we need to do. Make sure that you're reading through all of those. If you have any questions, feel free to ask teachers before school. And in the literature, even though it's not on here, if you did not get your vocabulary done in class today, please get that finished up. Most people had plenty of time to get that done in either class or Warrior Time. In CNL and FCS, there is no homework. That's going to be it for this Wednesday. Everyone take care, and we'll see you tomorrow.